can take you there. Wildest dreams, put some faith in me. Take my hand to your fantasy. Going through these battles, fucking with these models. All the way.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notifications on so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video, and make sure y'all follow all my social media are on the screen, or you can find it in the link in the description, however you guys want. So basically I'm going to be doing this this glam type of look for you guys. I know I haven't been uploading. I know I'm really bad at uploading videos, guys. I am so sorry, but I'm trying to upload as more videos as I can so that way I have an opportunity to do videos that you guys want to see. But like, I'll try no matter what to do one video for you guys, because I honestly love all my supporters. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching all my videos. I can't thank you guys enough. Like, you guys are so amazing to me, and I really want to inspire you guys. So as you can see, I already started doing my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm gonna move on to doing eyeshadow. So yeah, and if you want to know what type of dip brow that I use, the dip brow that I use is by Anastasia, and it's the color medium brown, just right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, like, it's medium brown. Yeah, and then I use this type of brush to make the arch, and use this brush like to brush your eyebrows, and yeah. And then also like the concealer, I use like a very flat brush as well. So that is all I use, and then at the end you just blend it with a beauty blender, and then you're completely done. But then the next thing I also use is this eyebrow gel, which is by NYX. It's a really good product to use. I recommend you guys to get it. I'm gonna be applying that now because I totally forgot to apply that. So okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole makeup look. So I'm gonna do this whole video voiceover. So as you know, like my makeup tutorials, I always do a voiceover on my videos instead of like explaining to you guys, like talking like while I'm doing my makeup. Like, you know, I just do a voiceover. And guys, comment down below if you really like this outfit, like, because I do. Like, I did curl my hair the other day for Christmas Eve. I was gonna do a Christmas look on that, but unfortunately I couldn't because my phone was acting up and it did not let me record the whole video. So this look, I am gonna do it. Hopefully hopefully my phone does not act up, and hopefully it does record the whole thing. So yeah, if you guys want to see this video, make sure you give a like to this video. Also, I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star palette for the first time. I got it for Christmas, and I am so thankful that my sister and my brother-in-law gave it to me. Oh my gosh, guys, look how beautiful it is. It's even beautiful in person, you know. Like, I just love his makeup palettes. Like, his makeup are like so amazing. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, look how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna be using this palette for this video. So it's gonna be a makeup video slash Jeffree Star makeup review that I'm gonna be showing you guys. Look how beautiful the colors are. This one is called Welcome. This one's called Back. This one to my channel One Noise. And then this one says Line 1985, Mogul, Self-Made, Dogma, Honest Truth, Design Label, Mr. Diva, Boss Angeles, Painfully, Collabs, Don't Know Her. This one is Rose with It, Millions, Girl, What's the Tea, Room Room, Custom Rims, Glam, Rapids, Wake and Bake, and then this one says Nate, Drive Through, Hi Dude, Fast Lane. Oh my god, I love the names that he put in, like, for these eyeshadows. Like, I feel like it's so unique and like really cute. I really love it. I will put in the description where to get this palette, and everything in the description. If you want to know the price for it and where to get it, I will put everything in the description. This is a really pretty palette. This is like my first palette that I got from him. Like, it's so crazy. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm holding it. Like, I just can't believe I'm holding it. Like, I've been wanting this palette for the longest, and I finally got it for Christmas. Thanks to my sister and my brother-in-law. If you're watching this, I love you guys so much, and I can't thank you guys enough. Like, you guys are amazing. So I'm gonna be using this palette I'm gonna be using this palette a lot in one of my videos, because like, his colors are so amazing. Like, look at this, it's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing this video. I'm gonna do this whole video of voiceover, so make sure y'all give it a like, and let's get to it. Okay, so the first eyeshadow color I'm using is Mr. Diva, and I'm gonna be applying that on my crease. And now the next eyeshadow color is Boss Angels, and I'm gonna be dipping into the crease. And then the next eyeshadow color you want to use is What's the Tea, and then you want to blend it in with the eyeshadow. And then you want to use this brush to blend it in. And then I'm going to be using this concealer by Tarte, and it's the color Light, and I'm going to be using this flat brush to create a half cut crease. And now I'm going to be using the color Millions, and I'm going to be using this brush to apply it on the lid. And now I'm going to be using this eyeliner by Olame, and I'm going to be making a wing liner on each side. And now I'm going to be using wipes to wipe out all the eyeshadow on my face. And now I'm going to be using this foundation by Benefit, and I'm going to be applying that on my face. And now I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender to blend out all the foundation. And now I'm going to use the same concealer and apply it under my eyes and under my chin and my forehead. And then I'm going to use a Beauty Blender to blend out all the concealer. And now I'm gonna be using this setting powder by Airspun. I'm gonna be applying that on the concealer. And now I'm gonna be using this bronzer by Wet n Wild, and I'm using this fluffy brush to apply it on my cheekbones and my forehead. And now I'm gonna be using this beauty blender to apply this setting powder under my bronzer. And then I'm gonna use this brush to blend out all the powder, and then I'm gonna use this beauty blender to blend out the bronzer. And now I'm gonna use this highlight by Revolution. I'm using this highlight color to apply on my face. And then I'm gonna use this brush to blend out the highlight. And then I'm applying mascara, which is by Big Shot. So I'm applying on my lashes. Right now I just applied my lashes, and now I'm gonna be using the same two colors, which is Boss Angels and Channel. I'm gonna be applying that under my eyebrows using that brush, and now I'm using this brush to blend out the eyeshadow. And now I'm using the NYX lip liner, which is the color Matte, and I'm gonna be lining my lips. And now I'm using this lipstick, which is the color Matte, and I'm gonna be applying that on my lip. And now I'm gonna use the same setting powder using this brush and apply it on top of the napkin to make sure that the lip lasts long. And then you wanna apply setting spray, and the setting spray that I'm using is by Benefit, and then I'm gonna let it dry. And this is my finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure y'all give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you guys will be notified to a new video. And make sure you follow me on all my social medias. And remember, you are pure, you are perfect, and you are an angel. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.